Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about 10 amazing heavy machinery that are at another level. Maybe you should turn on subtitle to fully enjoy the video. Let's start. Number 1. In the land of 10,000 lakes, Otter County took a plunge into the quirky world of ditch cleaning with the Amphibious Excavator ditch cleaner. Teaming up with the Midwest Amphibious equipment, these water-loving machines from Grand Rapids armed and set out to unclog county ditch system and keep the ATO flowing smoothly. It's like the water ballet with a splash of humor as these amphibious marvels navigate the watery state. Otter County isn't just embracing the future, they are swimming right into it with a sense of humor and a mission to keep those ditches as clean as a whistle. Number 2. ET8 Zurich's brainy creation, the autonomous spider excavator named HEAP. Isn't your typical construction worker? It's a stone worm maestro. This street marvel faction from a modified Manji Mark M545 excavator danced its way through a 6-meter high, 65-meter long dry stone wall using boulder and debris. With sensor and machine's vision, HEAP autonomously mapped with the construction site, located stones, and estimated their weight. Thanks to a smart algorithm, this high-tech excavator decided the perfect spot for each stone, creating a masterpiece. Who knew walls could be built with such finesses? ET8 Zurich's researchers spilled the beans on this engineering spectacle in the journal saying, "It's like the Bob Builder upgraded to genius mode." Number 3. Talk about a heavyweight champion with a sense of humor. The Cat D6 bulldozer made my meat out of the trailer house like it was playing with building block, weighing in at a solid 21,825 kg and boasting an impressive 158 kW of power. This bulldozer didn't break a sweat, turning the trailer into a pile of memories. It's like the Cat D6 said, "Out of my way, I've got a date with destruction." If you ever need a house gets evicted in style, call in the Cat D6, the heavyweight contender of demolition, making shenanigans look easy. Number 4. Say goodbye to palm tree with the doors of Florida sunshine and the Steelwrist Ripper Attachment, the ultimate tree tamer. The CAT-315 armed with Steelwrist tiltrotator make quick works of temple palm tree nursery, with the SQ quick coupler and the gripper cassette doing the pinching. It's like the CAT-315 became the up-rear's maestro. The Ripper did a little dance, knocking tree over and tearing up roots, while the gripper cassette casually picked them up for a bonfire party. Easy peasy, palm tree squeezy, a Floridian fiesta of destruction and cleanup, brought to you by Steelwrist Ripper Attachment. Number 5. Vermeer's got the skill for stamina boosting in Thai sport with the C480X, the superhero stump cutter. Sporting at a 48 HP cat diesel engine and retractable track that can squeeze down to a mere 35 inches, is the ninja of residential job site. Those low disturbance tracks make it a rockstar on soft, steep and rocky terrain. With a ground pressure slowly, it's practically tiptoeing. Job prep, minimal cleanup, easy peasy. The SC48TX is like the James Bond of stump cutter, sober, efficient, and ready to tackle any secret mission in your backyard. Improved stability, and the new stump cutter requires minimal job prep before and cleanup afterward. Number 6. Hold on to your hard hat because this excavator shaped yacht bucket isn't just ditching. It's creating V-shaped magic in the dirt. This bucket is like the superhero of excavator, carving out V-ditches with finishes and precision. It's the secret weapon for those jobs where regular bucket just won't cut it. Whether it's channeling water flow or crafting the perfect chance, this trapezoid's wonder is the go-to tool. It's like the excavator got a makeover and decided to show its off fancy V-ditch dance move. Who knew ditching could be so stylish? Number 7. With the DKO 260 with Leugo 995F, the rock star of the construction. With a boom crusher impact rate of 80 to 120 BPM and weighing in at 13,200 kg, this powerhouse embodies prowess and precision. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it faster and greener. Thanks to boom crusher technology, construction sites are safer, more efficient and eco-friendly. Breaking down materials for recycling reduces waste and environmental impact from site work, repair to underwater feed. These crushers are the sweet army knife of construction. The DKO 260 and Leugo 995F duo isn't just machinery. They are the dynamic duo progress, efficiency and innovation in the construction world. Number 8. Crush your core condom drums with the Amphibious cleaner Ambi AD 323 on the Sani SY215 excavator, making core crossing a breeze. Dealing with core of all shape and size, especially in rainy season, can be a real head scratcher. But fear not, this dynamic duo tackle the job with ease, ensuring the core meet buyer's spec. No more size variation, no more rain-induced obstacle, just smooth sailing through stockpile. It's like turning a rainy day into a sunny one for core crossing. The Amphibious 323 on the SY215 isn't just a solution, it's the superhero of stockpile struggle. Number 9. With the Dragline 30 RB, the unsung hero at Isaac Gravel Pit in NG. Turning slug pile cleaning into a comedic masterpiece. Watch as this giant gravely loaded dump truck, making them look like miniature in comparison. It's like the dragline saying, step aside, with the truck the cleanup maestro is here. With a height difference that practically a slug pile high five, the 30 RB is the heavyweight charm of efficiency. It's not just a dragline, it's the drag and drop comedy shows of Isaac Gravel Pit. Who knew cleaning slug could be so entertaining? Number 10. Hold on to your hard hat because the Cat D7 Dozer is turning dangerous mountain into molehills. Wedging in at 65,644 lbs and packing a powerful 265 AP punch, it's like the heavyweight charm of broad work. This bulldozer is fearless, taming treacherous terrains with a grin. It's not just construction, it's a mountain munching comedy show starring at the Cat D7. Danger? Please, just that another feature for this desert. With a D7 on the scene, it's not broad work, it's a blockbuster in the making. Moreover, danger, the Cat D7 is here to turn the mountain into its playground. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time!